gonna be a short video on how to install the tire chains on the Ranger. Pick one out. These are all dirty and filthy from last year use. I still didn't clean them. So all I did is lift up the Ranger. I jacked it up with my jack. On the tires, I took out the valve stems, like the valves inside here, so the tire is completely flat. So it'll be easier for you to put them on. Now just lay out the tire chains underneath like this. Alright guys, so my camera died, the battery, because it's so cold right now. So all I did, again, jack up the vehicle so the rear is up in the front. I put chucks in the front and I put in 4-wheel drive so it won't move. Now, laid out the chain on the ground. So I laid it out like you see in the video, put it over top. So you have the rings. You have 1 ring and 2 rings. 2 of these rings and the 2 long chains. Feed them through the loop here. So I went down, I clicked the sides. These sides, they pin in like it's little hooks there. So I hooked that on the front, and on the rear there's another one. Did that. Now put the chains, these chains, through the root loops. I put them down, put them around the bottom here, this ring here, put them around, and then I used the D-ring here and I twisted it here, tighten it. So I did it on both sides. So this is the other side. So it went around. Wait, let me see. Let me show you. So the same thing. Where's the ring? This is the clip that rings, makes the ring around the rim. And then there's that chain. I put the chain under, over, and I put the D-ring up to here, to this last link. When you do it, when you first do it, it's all gonna be loose. So you still could move it around the chain, the whole tire chain assembly. So don't worry, that's normal. Right now it's rock hard because I put the tire stem, the valves back in, and then pumped up my tires right now because it's -30 outside here in Canada. I pumped it up to 40 psi. And so not recommended, but whatever, it's gonna go down because it's so cold, air density, yada yada and stuff. So usually 30 psi is good enough and it'll make your chains rock hard. Now you just drop the vehicle and just start it and drive it like reverse forward, like around the yard kind of thing, and it will loosen up. It'll go into the tire, the nubs here, it'll loosen up, it'll go in there, and it'll be perfectly beautiful and stuff. And that's all you have to do. That's it, simple. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Likes and subscribes to the channel. Have a good night.